Do you recall the Lexus RX L? It wasn't particularly memorable, as Lexus attempted to add an extra row of seats to the standard wheelbase RX. Unfortunately, this resulted in an uncomfortably cramped third row and even less practical cargo space compared to its two-row counterpart. Recognizing this, Lexus made the right decision to eliminate the RX L with the latest generation of RX. In its place, the new Lexus TX emerges as a proper three-row SUV. Capable of accommodating 7 adults comfortably, along with their luggage, it boasts the premium fit and finish expected from Lexus. Based on the well-received Toyota Grand Highlander, the Lexus TX offers 3 powertrain options. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder generating 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid variant, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, produces 273 GP and 339 lb-ft, while the top-tier 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid impressively delivers 404 GP. Opting for the base engine in the TX 350 trim provides satisfactory power, smoothly propelling the sizable SUV. While it may not win drag races, taking 7.8 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, the TX excels in comfort. Its suspension ensures a smooth ride, effectively dampening bumps on the highway, and the cabin remains remarkably quiet due to excellent sound deadening. Lexus, known for crafting comfortable seats, maintains this reputation with the TX. The second and third rows surpass class standards, offering ample headroom and legroom. Even with the third row in use, there's a commendable 20.2 cubic feet of cargo space, surpassing the outgoing RX L. Folding the third row expands storage to 54.7 cubic feet, and further dropping the second row increases it to 97.0 cubic feet. The interior features soft-touch surfaces within reach, and the faux NuLuxe leather mimics the real thing. The cabin is complemented by a sturdy aluminum dash accent, though a piano black plastic around the shifter and cup holders tends to attract fingerprints. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of Lexus's safety system plus 3.0 suite in all TX models, offering adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist. Fuel efficiency is respectable, especially in the base TX 350 with front-wheel drive, achieving 21 mpg city, 27 highway, and 23 combined. Surprisingly, the pricing for the Lexus TX is reasonable, starting at $55,050 for the front-wheel drive TX 350 model. The all-wheel drive version adds $1,600, beginning at $56,650. The top-tier plug-in hybrid model is priced at $78,050. For additional features like real leather and advanced technology, the luxury model is available at $60,950 with front-wheel drive, or $62,500 with all-wheel drive. Lexus has successfully entered the three-row SUV market with the 2024 TX, offering a range of powertrains, a comfortable interior, and ample cargo space. This marks a notable achievement for Lexus, addressing the demand for a legitimate three-row option in their lineup.